When shipping cap O-ring replacement is required, Integris can provide an O-ring replacement kit that will aid in the process of removing the O-rings from your shipping cap. Integris has a procedure spelled out included with each kit. Inclusive of the kit is the O-ring removal tool and the guide plug. The first step is to take the O-ring removal tool, pull it over the O-ring, rotating forward, which takes the O-ring off of your shipping cap. The next step is to take your new O-ring, place the new O-ring in the O-ring groove, pushing the guide plug over the O-ring, and assembling by pushing down on the shipping cap. This puts your O-ring back onto the shipping cap.